Hey guys, welcome to Quick DIY. Today I'm going to show you what I did and how I did made myself a complete garage storage solution. This works for me perfect. So first things first, before I bought anything, I put everything down on a piece of paper, deciding what I need for storage, how much of a small storage I need, how much of a larger storage I need. So at the end of the day, it depends on your requirement. If this is something you like, you can build what I built. But if you want something else, just whatever in your mind, put it down on a piece of paper, and at the end of the day, it will make more sense to you and you can go from there. To get myself going, the first thing I did is mark all the studs on the wall, as well as where I want my shelves to be, where I want my workbench to be, and the largest storage accordingly. So once this is done, I know where I'm punching holes and where I'm drilling, so that made everything much more easier. So once I'm clear on the measurements I have done, I started making my cuts and putting shelves together. Well, when it's time to put the leg together, I suggest you get some help. Like, this is a bit of a tricky part. You do one thing wrong, it's gonna mess up your whole project, or you can get hurt. So I suggest you get some help. Alright, so once top shelves are ready, both of them, and the legs are attached to it, with some great help I lifted them up, and with the help of marks I made earlier, I know where I'm drilling. Now the only thing is, I just made sure everything is leveled before making any holes. So once the structure, the base is ready, I started doing some more cutting, made some more shelves, and started putting them together one by one. So once the whole storage unit is up and leveled, I double checked my measurements before I bought the MDF board for the shelf base itself. So this was it. This was my complete garage storage solution. and hope this helps you. If you have any questions, just write down in the comments and I will try to answer as much as I can. I will also leave some details in description about what I used, and maybe some links to where you can buy them. And good luck with your project. Thanks for watching.